Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share an automation that I've built with you inside make.com, which will automatically get an item from an RSS feed, in this particular case, Business Insider, and then it will summarize that article by passing in a URL, and then write a video script, parse the JSON, pass it into JSON to video to create the AI video content, and then get that file, write the post, and then post it automatically to Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube in this particular case. So if you're excited to learn how to build this, go ahead, watch the tutorial, and then also I'm leaving a link in the description below to my school community and also Gumroad, where you can grab the entire done-for-you template completely for free. So first of all, we've got this RSS feed reader right here. As you can see, I'm just calling the RSS feed reader and passing in the URL to get news articles from Business Insider. And then we're just returning one item. That's all this step is doing. And then the next module is going to be calling Perplexity. You will need to connect up your API. Just come up here and enter your API key for Perplexity. Chances are you will need to add a little bit of money into your billing account in order to use it, and then you can select the model. In this case, I'm just choosing Sonar, or we can use Sonar Deep Research. But in this case, all I want to do is summarize the article. So I've got this prompt right here. It just says, you are an AI and automation tools expert. Summarize this particular article in a way that makes it easy to create social media posts from the output. Be sure to include the URLs for the actual tools mentioned only when relevant and not the article you are summarizing. And that's it. That's all there is to it for this step. And then it's passing that output into ChatGPT, so the summarized article, in order to create the video script. This one's a bit long, so it may make sense just to grab the template, link in the description below, and it's basically just creating the social media post. It's creating a script of a social media video about the topics included below. The video will be organized into scenes. We need the scenes to pass these into JSON to video, such as overlaid text, voiceover text, and image prompt. The image prompt must be written in English, being detailed and photorealistic. Right? The topic of the video is, we're passing in the title from the RSS feed that we have from over here. We simply just click and drag it in. And then the description is going to be the output from Perplexity AI right here. The script should be a minimum of 30 seconds in length. And then we also have another prompt down here to act as a professional video script editor. Review and verify that the script you've just produced is written in a way that ensures the created video should be at least 30 seconds and no more than 60 seconds. And that's pretty much all there is to it for this step. This one's a bit long, so I do recommend just grabbing the template if you want the done-for-you solution. And then the next step is we're parsing the JSON. So we're taking the output over here, content, so that's the output right there, in the format that JSON to video needs it, such as the scenes and everything like that. So that's just parsing the JSON string. And then next step is we're passing it into JSON to video. This is a module that is built into make.com and is specifically for creating AI videos. And you can go to the website, create your free account, and then you will also get the free API key when you sign up. So you get the API key, and then you can use that for adding the authentication over here. So you just click on add and enter in your API key. Very, very straightforward. And then from there you can set the video resolution. So in this case I'm just using 720p, and we're using the free to use Azure voice model. In this case they also have other ones such as 11 Labs. You can build 11 Labs into it as well, which I've talked about in some of my other tutorials showing how to set this up. And you can even clone a professional AI voice through 11 Labs. But in this case, I just want to use the Azure free plan. And then here you can set the voice. And if you want to browse through the different voices available, you can come over here and just find the specific AI voices. Right? So here's the voice, and you can click and copy and paste this ID right here. Then you're just going to enter that in for the voice ID. And that's pretty much all there is to it for this step. You can also set the image model and a couple other things as well, but we're just going to leave all of that blank for now. And then the next step is going to be, once again, calling JSON to video, and we're going to wait for the video to render. So all we have to do here is drag in the project from the toolbox module that we've called over here. So it's just passing in the project. And all that's going to do is wait for it to render. And then once it's finished rendering, we can then get that file, movie to render. And then we're just going to pass that in right away. So that's going to get the file using this HTTP request. And once it has the file, we're going to use that for uploading it to the social media accounts. In this case, a Facebook page, Instagram business page, and a YouTube channel. Now keep in mind, I'm actually not using this particular automation for myself because I create all of the content on my own and I don't use the AI generated videos. But if that's something that you do want to do, like let's say you have a faceless YouTube channel, for example, then you could just create these videos and upload them as YouTube shorts, just as an example. And obviously you could do the same on your Facebook page or your Instagram account. I think they may even have TikTok built in here as well. So here we're just going to write the post. So it says, you're a social media expert and your job is to write engaging posts for Instagram from the following article. It could be Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. And then we're just passing in the content from the previous ChatGPT module right here. And then we've set up a router here. So in order to set up a router, you just come over here and you type in router. And then I've just connected up my Facebook page here. Obviously, you will need to authenticate. You can just use OAuth in order to do that, to authenticate your Facebook account. And it looks like I will need to re-authenticate this in this particular case. So in order to do that, I'm just going to click on Add, Save, and then I'll just log into my Facebook account because I've recently changed my password. So I need to re-authenticate with Facebook and just connect it up to make.com. So there, now we've got the page pulled in. I just want to post it to my Be Remote Consulting page. And then we're just going to use the data file in this case, and we can pass in the file that we got from this step over here. So we're just using the HTTP request and uploading the file that we've already gotten that was generated using JSON to video. And then for description, we're just taking the post that we already created, and same for the title as well. You can just hard code this in if you want to as well. That works just fine. I'm going to go ahead and save this automation since I've made some changes. We've also got Instagram here as well, so I can post to my Instagram, which is connected up through my Facebook page, and Facebook owns Instagram, so this is all basically the same here. And then the video URL is just going to be the movie file that we've already generated over here. So that's the movie file. And the caption is just going to be, what we've created using ChatGPT. That's all there is to it. And then last step is going to be uploading to YouTube. This should be authenticated correctly already. I've just selected want to select this channel where you're watching this now, AI Automation Station. And then for the title, we're just passing in the ChatGPT generated content. And same thing, just getting the file from the HTTP request and uploading it to YouTube. So now in order to run this, I haven't tested it for a while, so we'll see if it actually works correctly, but I'm just going to click on run, and it's going to go through each of these steps. So it's gotten the latest news article, which we can preview right here, something from Business Insider. It's basically summarized it using Perplexity, and there's the summarized article, and then it's passing it in, and now it's creating the video using JSON to video. But just as I suspected, unfortunately, I have run out of credits. They only give you a certain number of credits, and looks like I've exceeded my quota on my current plan, so it's not going to actually generate the video. But just know that if it did generate the video, it's able to get the file, create the message content, and then post them to social media accounts. And again, this full automation is available on my Gumroad page. So if you want to browse through all of my done for you templates and courses and everything, they're available over here. And then I also have a lot of this stuff inside my school community as well, which is completely free to join. And I also offer paid plans which start at $29 a month, and the VIP plan is $199 per year at the time of recording. And in order to access the templates, you will need to be on the premium plan. But once you're in here, you can browse through all the templates, and then you can just click on download. It will take you straight over to my Gumroad page where you can just get this template. It's basically free, or pay whatever you want. And this one actually has about 280 downloads, so it's doing pretty well. Hopefully you enjoyed the tutorial. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. With that being said, take care, stay safe. Peace from Thailand. I will see you in the next one. Signing off.